first order up is Fonda Burrito, which is actually just a Denny's. I wonder if the customer knows that because all the items that they ordered are in Spanish.
This is really heavy. You're probably gonna want to grab it from the bottom.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is $19 going 9.5 miles. Really hope I'm going to the right place because this is going to a Safeway, but I'm not sure which one because there are two Safeways like within half a mile of each other. Hello. This is for the freight crew. It said to leave with Jason.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Right. Thank you.
Grab from the bottom. It's kind of heavy.
Okay. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Thank you. I don't know if I've been to this place before or not. It's called Jackson's Food Stores, but this is $7 going about 4.5 miles. I've got a sneaking suspicion this is just taking me to a gas station. Yeah, it is.
I did 4. Yeah. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Got this next order as I was dropping off. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 2 miles, 3 items.
Can you scan it?
Yeah, please. Yep, just that one. Next up is a Starbucks. This is $8 going 5 miles.
Whitney? I know.
Yes.
Whitney?
Thank you. This one might be a mistake because it is taking me halfway across the river, but we've got 2 shop and deliver orders going to 2 different customers. This is Safeway, $18 going 7 miles. I think it was 8 items.
Just want one.
Yes, just one. Thank you.
Can you scan it?
Yes, please. Yep, just that. I thought the alcohol was at a different store, but they told me as soon as I left that it's the same one. But yeah, I got that order as I was shopping. Got all these receipts. That one is an extra $7 and change for like 1.5 miles. Morning.
Hey, good morning.
Just the backside for me.
Sonny, sorry. Sonny,
Where's that?
good. Sonny, get in. I'm so sorry.
All good.
Come on. All right, take care. Sonny, dude. Sonny, get in. Sonny, hey.
Okay then. Luckily the dog was friendly, otherwise I would have been dead. Okay, easy enough so far. I just have to drive halfway across the river now, which is the one that I was worried about this whole time, because the longer everything else takes makes it even worse for me in terms of traffic. Okay, minimal traffic on the way here, so these orders were pretty good. Got this next order as I was driving away. This is heading back into my zone, so that's amazing actually. This is a Starbucks, $7, going about 3 miles. Hello. Is there a permit center?
3rd floor, elevator cellar.
Thank you. Got this one right away. It is Joe Brown's Cafe, $9, going 6 miles. She just messaged me saying she wants pancakes.
Oh, we made a waffle. I tried to call her.
Oh, okay.
This is for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You want a water or something to go with it?
No, I've got my own water. Thank you, though.
You don't want it to go to waste?
Yeah.
Guess what? Why do you have it?
I haven't had breakfast yet, so it's perfect.
Heck yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you for your patience.
Yep, no
Appreciate
problem.
it.
Now that I think about it, I might just give this waffle away, because that's not really something I can eat on the go. Not that I would do that. This next one isn't very good, but it shouldn't take too long, so we're just gonna do it. This is a stacked Starbucks, $6 and change, going about 2.5 miles.
Dennis, half and a cocktail. Thank you.
Yes, of course. So it's got 4 items and 1 drink and all the napkins.
For Val, Bubble, Priscilla.
Alright, and then Alyssa S. There we go.
Yes.
Thank you very much. There you go. Yeah, that's it.
I'll
Thank
walk
you.
out of the phone. It's me right back here.
Novel for Christian.
Christian, Americano, 2 sugar and cream.
John, I got the first brown sugar cortado.
We're getting out of here. Well, that waffle disappeared in about 4 bites, and got the next order. This is a Taco Bell, $7, going 2 miles. Morning. Yeah, for Shaylin.
Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Next order up, got a McDonald's. This is $6, going 2 miles. Got this next order right away. It is Food Cafe and Catering. This one's $7, going just under 5 miles. Hello. Thank you. Oh, there you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Okay, time to go home. Current time is 9:29. Total ended up with 105. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.